What's going on, micro scale garagers? Today's vlog, I'm outside working on the rock course, and I think I gotta get all this water out of my jacuzzi because I'm laying some rocks down, some bricks. You gonna do a flip, buddy? Do a flip, buddy. Watch Adrian. Yeah, front flip. See another one. Yeah, good job. Adrian crashed the go-kart. I took the throttle cable off the SSR and I put it on my mini bike just so I could ride something around. Go-kart, we gotta buy a front strut for it because we hit the porch. I gotta get all this water out of here because I forgot to put the green tarp on and it rained last night. Here come a plane, so I had a comment. Just gotta get the water out. Use whatever I got. Kazimoto. Let's check what the temp is. That's it. He was on his third day. The temp. We are at 84, 104. Hold on. What does it say? Oh. I need to clean my filter. Yeah, it's not even. Oh, my heater's not even on. Well, it's at 84 right now. Didn't even know. Had the heater off for all these days. Alright, so the heater's been off for like, I used it last it was a couple nights ago. It's probably like 3 nights ago I used it, and it was at 107. My wife and her friend was in there, and they said when they got out it was at 106. So it's at 84 now. We'll check it. We'll check it. So I gotta go get some more bricks so we can lay the bricks down. But we'll check the hot tub tomorrow, because right now it's, what time is it? Can I see the time while I'm doing this? It's 10:42 a.m. and it's at 84 degrees. Oh, we gotta get all the water off the tarp. We're gonna cover it. We're gonna get all the water out of there. And we're gonna go pick up some bricks so we can lay more bricks for patio. But over here on the rock course, because it rained, what I thought it was pretty cool is I'm working on a new trail. I'm gonna drop this rock in so that way this rock is, you know, nice and even. And then we got a new trail that's gonna go this way. I haven't even drove it yet, so I just got the I'm doing some, oh, the pond, buddy. Yeah, we're getting to that. They can see the pond right there. It looks cool. That's what we were talking about. That's the whole thing about this vlog that made me feel good today. I walked outside and I seen that pond sitting on that rock, and I was like, that's awesome. But we're gonna pass the pond because we're gonna make a trail where we can try and climb up and go up this rock going up this way.
Yeah, where'd you
Or we can climb up and go down. Oh, that's just been on the course, buddy.
Where'd you get it?
I don't know. Out of the woods. You got to sneeze.
No.
Adrian and his sneezes.
I've been sneezing for like 20 days now.
Yeah. sinuses, buddy. So I put the aluminum rims on the AL3, and I just want to make sure and see if we can crawl up here. You know, I've just been doing that. I came out here today and just seeing if that was going to be crawlable. You know, if the trucks can fit through there. I don't know, they're probably going to need some weight to get up and over something like that. But I do have this rock, and I know the ambush, the RC4 drives can climb up that, going up that way. And then we're going to drop this down into the ground somewhere. And then continue on. I'll lay some more bricks here. So now we can go up, going up this rock, and then we can come down. And then over here, I'm thinking about dropping these rocks in, so we can come up. And I want to buy some concrete, so that way come over right here. We'll come over, and then we'll go up and over, and I'll make like a, you know, another like concrete trail where it'll swoop and go there, or it'll swoop and it'll go that way, so that way we can crawl that way. And then I don't know where that 3D printed bridge that I was making, it was over here, but I don't know where it's at. Oh, it's all the way over here now. I think I'm gonna incorporate, I want to incorporate a bridge over there for sure, but I want to incorporate on mountain number 1 because we've put so much, you know, years and work in this. I want to incorporate a bridge, and I was probably thinking yesterday probably somewhere off of here. So let me know in the comments like how we can do another trail, because we can also come up this rock. We can now turn now,
Dad.
and we can come over and go this way, because this is kind of like a flat spot here.
Dad.
Yeah, buddy.
Should we make a name for the course?
Yeah, let us know in the comments, you guys, what you guys think that this micro course should be called. You know, Orlando Hunters can crawl on it, RC4 drive, so anything from 1/18 scale to 1/32 scale, or smaller, I guess. I don't know.
My ambush can climb on it.
Your ambush does good on it. Gotta find my controller for my low-C trail tracker, so that way I can get my low-C trail tracker out here. But alright, you guys, that's just gonna be our vlog.
I'm gonna find out where to put this.
We will. We're gonna print some more of those too. Make it longer. Delta. See? We can have like scale comps, because the airport and the hotels are like 2 seconds away. You could take a shuttle bus over here and do some RC crawling. That would be cool. Wouldn't that be cool, buddy? We had that, like scale micro course comp. Get another picnic table. Set my fire pit back up so we can cook. Everybody can eat. Kids can do backflips. While we're all sitting here chilling, driving. Alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. Flow like water. RC any way you can, you guys. Get out there and have a good time. It's summertime. It feels good to be out here in the heat again. Cosmo's been back over there eating berries. Here he come. Look at him. What are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, you guys. Peace out. Love you, buddy.